Welcome to the debut celebration of Jamela here at this beautiful venue. Palakpakan naman po natin Queen Arthur's Events Play!
Salamat na napakarami sapagkat muling dumating ang kanyang ika-18 taong kaarawan ng aking minamahal na po na si Jamila. Sana ang hindi para sa Diyos ngayon, lalo pa dumami, kaarawan ang dumating sa kanya at ato pa siyang pagpalain. Maraming salamat.
Was on my mind, I think you know why. And if your letters ever said goodbye, I cried my eyes violet. Elizabeth Taylor, tell me for real, do you think it's forever? Been number one, but I never had to. And I can't have fun if I can't help be my and why when Hollywood hates me, only as hot as your last hit, baby. Been number one, but I never had to. And I can't have fun if I can't have you.
Sa mahal kong pamangkin na si Jamela, happy 18th birthday, yung bata na yan, na di kagisnan ko yung pagkapata hanggang paglaki niya. Mabait, magalang, at masunusin. Happy birthday, Be. I love you.
Hi Mela, happy birthday. Advance happy birthday Mela. Good luck sa'yo mamaya kasi babasagan ka namin ng itlog sa night swimming.
I cried my eyes violet. Elizabeth Taylor, tell me for real, do you think it's forever? Been number one, but I never had to. And I can't have fun if I can't help be my and why when Hollywood hates me, only as hot as your last hit, baby. Been number one, but I never had to. And I can't have fun if I can't have you. Elizabeth Taylor, do you think it's forever?
Ako, ang describe ko sa'yo in one word is determined. Determined ka sa mga bagay na gusto mo. Pag iniisip mo, ginagawan mo talaga ng paraan kung paano magiging i-actual siya. So sa ngayon, isa yun sa ina-admire ko sa'yo, yung pagiging determinado ka sa lahat ng gusto mo gawin sa buhay. Happy 18th birthday and we love you always.
I cried my eyes violet. Elizabeth Taylor, tell me for real, do you think it's forever? Been number one, but I never had to. And I can't have fun if I can't help be my and why when Hollywood hates me, only as hot as your last hit, baby. Been number one, but I never had to. And I can't have fun if I can't help diamonds and Elizabeth Taylor forever. Do you think it's the papers on the screen and in their minds? All my white diamonds and lovers are forever. Don't you?
Hello, my prinsesa. Enjoy natin ngayong gabi nito. Ito na yung pinaka-hintay natin. So, mag-i-enjoy lang tayo. Kami nang bahala sa mga guests mo at sa mga bisita. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday, baby.
I used to pull them all nighters, bank account about dry. Though my life was on fire, don't know how I got by. Looking back now, can't help but laugh. I made my own path. Hey, look at us now, with all that we have. Time to raise up a glass. It's gonna be a celebration, celebration. We're gonna have a celebration, celebration. Ooh la 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 la, live it up. I wanna see you live it up right. Pour a toast to the heat.
Ano yung pangarap niyang lugar na makapunta, makapag-travel? Saan? Watson. Favorite place na eh.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, may I invite everybody to please raise all your flashlights and gently wave it as we welcome our princess of the night, Jamela.
It's gonna be a
Thank you so much po sa lahat ng pumunta, sa lahat ng nag-effort kahit na malayo yung venue. So, thank you po kila Miss Claudine, kila Mami, sa family ko, sa lahat ng support nila, lahat ng pinagdaanan nitong debut na to kasi sobrang hirap talaga magplano. Lalo na kay Mami, thank you so much kasi kahit na iyak na naman siya. Kahit na, alam mo na, ang mahal ng ng ginastos, okay lang. Kasi once in a lifetime lang talaga. Thank you so much everyone sa mga pumunta. At thank you din po, especially thank you po din sa mga friends ko din and kila Papa na nag-effort pa din na kahit hindi nakapunta, nag-video greetings na lang din sila. Thank you all. Muli po palakpak